Hello everyone, welcome to Little Einstein. Today's topic is evolution. There are specific misconceptions about evolution, like the idea that there's a missing link between humans and apes out there that we just haven't discovered yet. So, is there a missing link? To answer this question, let's look into the terminology. Evolution, the process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from their earlier forms during the history of Earth. This process of evolution can happen in two ways: random chance and natural selection. Random chance. This is one of the many reasons you don't look and quite act like he did. The amoebas and other simple creatures are reproduced by copying a DNA inside their guts, moving both copies to either side of their body and splitting in two right down the middle and then growing back to full size. If it all goes well, the two new amoebas will be exact copies of each other. But in nature, things aren't always perfect. When DNA is being copied, errors can occur, which modify the DNA code. This is what we call the DNA mutation. These mutations, which happen completely on accident and randomly to any part of the DNA strand, can produce a variation in the body shape and function of the creature who inherits the modified DNA. Natural selection. Darwin didn't just propose that organisms evolved. If that had been by the beginning and the end of theory, he wouldn't be in as many textbooks as he is in today. Instead, Darwin proposed a theory mechanism of evolution called the natural selection. This mechanism was elegant and logical, and it explained how populations could evolve, undergo descent with modification in such a way that they became better suited to the environment over time. For instance, some giraffes were born with short necks and some with long. The differences are at least in part passed from parents to offsprings. The long neck individuals did not acquire its neck by stretching to grab leaves. Instead, individuals within the populations were born with neck length that was longer than others because a longer neck allowed them to reach food that was otherwise unattainable. It gave them an advantage condition. Number of successful individuals succeeded. So, coming back to our primary question, is there a missing link between humans and apes out there that we just haven't discovered? Basically, people figure that apes are a lower or more primitive form of life, so there must be a link that's somewhere in between more primitive apes and humans. But that's not quite how evolution works, because there is no single unbroken chain between our ancestors and us. Evolution is about diversification, not linear progression. For more such videos, please like and subscribe. Comment the next topic you would like to see on your favorite channel. You can also find more such content on Tuition app.